Hello, everybody, and welcome to the second video on this series. If this is your first time here, welcome to this channel where I'm documenting my journey, where I share the progress and the developments of some of my ideas. The first idea that we are currently working on is called WP Blueprints, which is a system designed for web design agencies working with WordPress. It's enabled them to automate the process of creating websites from a blueprint. So let's say they could create 10, 20 websites and include them inside a network where they can manage them in a single click and from a single dashboard. So I highly recommend you to go and watch the previous video if you haven't already to get a better understanding on the system and to get an overview on how I'm designing the system and how I'm trying to build it. So here's a quick look at how our task list look from the previous video. And now let's all through the updates that we've made since then and discuss what's next on our task list. So here's the current stage of the platform. As you can see here, the authentication system is up and running. So we can click here and we get redirected to a sign up page. So we have basic logic functionality implemented, but we haven't yet implemented email verification or password reset features. For now, this will do, but we will refine it as we continue developing the platform. So if I click here, I could sign in with an already existing account. I'm using this account for test purposes. So when I click on sign in, I will get redirected to the dashboard page. And here for the dashboard layouts, I decided to go with a clean and intuitive design. It's featured a side navigation menu along with the user profile actions and the a pricing section. While designing this dashboard, I kept in mind to use this as a draft, so the final version of the platform might look different as we make improvements. Usually I start developments with the backend first, then move on the front end. But this time I decided to take a different approach, mainly for two reasons. First, because I already have a clear backend plan in mind. And secondly, because I want to create some short promotional contents around the platform before it's done, as a way of marketing it before finishing the developments or alongside the developments. But let's not get ahead of ourselves and take it step by step. So far, the pages are straightforward and functional. I used mainly short-chain components with some V0 magic prompting. And of course, again, about 60% of this dashboard will change by the end of the development of the project, but it's part of the process. Here in these three pages, I used the same components, a table with the data about either the network or the blueprints. And when you click on a network or a blueprints, you will be directed into a page where you can manage them and see more information about each network and each website connected to the network. Also similar here for the websites. The bulk section is still in progress as it will be developed alongside the backend. I don't have a clear idea on how it will be, so I kept this blank for now. And same here for the settings section. And back to our task list, we can confidently cross these elements for the moments, as I mentioned before, they will change by time and update it to include the latest thing that I'll be working on, which is building the network endpoints and the database endpoints on the API side. So I know the project is moving slower than expected, but that's a part of the journey. I'm committed to keeping you updated more consistently. So if you are enjoying this series, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next updates. And till next video, see you soon.